Here is Collage Maker app, LiveCollage. You can just go and install it. Just double click to install it. And yeah, all in one big collage maker, photo editor, collage maker, photo collage, carousel collage, video, and AI tools for your best moments and memories. Make perfect collages videos with 20,000 plus layouts, effects, stickers, and tools. So yeah, pretty cool, popular app. You can see 136,000 ratings in here. A lot of layouts, so it's not just simple collage, like a lot of really advanced layouts, a lot of filters, like photo editors, AI remove background, change background, like really powerful app. If you're using these collage pictures for Facebook or Instagram, this is really nice, interesting app. And there's quick start. So you can then just, for example, select some images from here, but let's just, for example, select some images. And then, yeah, you can then just choose the layout. So different types of layouts. There are paid ones, there are free ones, there are like really advanced ones. So as you can see, so here is, for example, layout. You can edit video, trim. You can edit tracks. You can see canvas. Social elements. So of course you can generate it for all kinds of dimensions for social media. Print, wallpaper. Seems you can generate the wallpaper for your device. There is e-commerce, where you can just generate Amazon headers, eBay, Etsy covers, Etsy products. Layouts you have in here. Then you have AI generators. So then, yeah, here you have your history, your settings. Then there is unlimited access. If you want to upgrade, there is monthly price, $5 per month, but that's like light version. This is really good price, $36 per year. If you want to have full premium AI, no ads and unlimited AI tool usage, that's just that basically you're paying for AI credits. That's like $13 per month. So that's the idea. And then there are AI tools which include AI remove background, art generator, cartoon, AI photo style, image enhance, cartoon, remove objects. And so yeah, that's basically the idea in here, which you can use. And so yeah, that's basically what it is.